Hi again, Steve in the Milk Barn. Well, I didn't include you in the final repairs of the belt sander or the reassembly. We got all the bearings. Seems to be working all right. Maybe a little tracking adjustment needed by the looks of it. A little yesterday, and well, a success. Hold your ears. Here we go. Looks like my table's a little crooked, doesn't it? Well, that's just a matter of giving it a couple whacks there. But, I looked around, couldn't find one nowadays. I couldn't find one that was, of course that's a Chinese machine. But that was in the 85, 84 era, I think. So it's, it's all steel, and it came with 2 cast iron tables. The new ones come with a aluminum table, and it comes with 1. So, pretty good deal. It runs pretty good. Not was it Wilton? What's the other company that makes those? But anyways, it's not the best, but then again, work with what you got. So, good to see you. See you later. Bye-bye.